My name is JC. I just started here at West Edmonton Mall Toyota. So far it's really great. The facility is really beautiful. The people are really nice. The only problem I'm having is we hired this new employee. Her name is Millie. She's a little bit of a handful.
What do I think about Millie? She was well dressed in the interview. She seemed like she'd be a good fit, but she's got a mind of her own.
So the service guys have just been complaining that she's always borrowing their tools and not returning them, so it's driving them a little crazy.
I can handle fish once in a while, but she microwaves her fish every single day.
She's always doing pranks on people, which is just extremely annoying when you're trying to get work done.
But customers love her.
Maybe that's how she got a corner office so quickly.